or suddenly unable to focus? Or you experience waking up feeling overwhelmed even before the start of your day? Is your appetite on and off? In general, do you feel something is off or irregular? While these things can be the result of a physical activity, like work, exercise, or diet, or a personal circumstance, medicine intake, for example, it can also be caused by the imbalance of energies within you. The excess, lacking, or overload of energies can hinder our ability to perform to our optimum. We need to ground, and we need to incorporate this in our lives in order to balance the body, the mind, and the spirit. Grounding is releasing the energy you have accumulated to an element that will purge, neutralize, and convert the same to an available energy that is ready to be tapped on. It releases the user from an energy overload and ensure that the energies that are aligned to the intention will be utilized. By grounding, we part ways with these energies so that the elements can transform them to neutral energies available for all. The neutral energies can be charged depending on the intention of the user and return to the element after its use. Here are simple grounding works that we can do. For magical practitioners, this is an important step before and after a ritual or spell work. Number 1. A fresh shower can cleanse the body of excess, unwanted energies. A simple chant to accompany this grounding can be: water touch and cleanse the body. Oh, purify my energy. Water falls and trickles free. Wash away negativity. Another popular way used in open, outdoor space is by sitting on the ground and visualizing energies that overflows to pass through your body towards the earth. This is also a good way to relax, to incorporate in physical and mental exercises, and to remind ourselves that we are part of the creation. This is a popular method that makes the terms grounding and earthing for other practitioners interchangeable. Try this chant when you are outside, sitting on the ground. I am one with the earth. I am one with the all. Receive my energy deep beneath the soil. If you want an easy grounding fix, light a cedarwood incense. Close your eyes for a few minutes, visualizing the magical properties of the scent. To disperse and neutralize the energies surrounding you, chanting this in the process. Fragrance, odor, scent, and smell. Cedarwood do guide this spell. Fragrance, odor, scent, and smell. Energies be good and well. Whatever method or grounding work we do, we should thank the universe for the energy that we used. This sign of appreciation conditions the mind that the way to whatever intention is created with energies lent temporarily should be returned with gifts of appreciation. Try to incorporate grounding to your daily meditation or weekly spell works. Grounding the energy not only helps us cleanse and detox the body or unwanted energies, it also allows others to be tapped into it after the element has neutralized its magical form. In a way, grounding is a way of sharing. It is a way of assisting. It is a way of connecting. Connect the words, connect the line. energies and intention do align. Take and use, cleanse and ground, all year long, all year round.